Are lions here?
The wind has blown the snow and dress, too beautiful for words. It may look good for Christmas cards, but
Do it right now?
forecasts and birds.
Yeah, middle here, and the two bushes are there, and you fall behind the bushes. Right? Guys, that was, and so you, like, very good. You can wander in the front line. Yeah. That looked really good. Yeah.
Guys,
Guys, focus. Couple more seconds, guys.
Guys, just the one final note. That was really good. Just with your stirring. Some of you guys are starting to stop. You guys are stirring all the way through until the second, when everybody's singing, sing certain, right on certain, you guys stop moving. Okay? That's to give the impression that, or strongly implying that everything is covered. All the houses, all the lakes, every inch of greenery is completely covered.
Before then we should have gone, before Christmas we should have gone then.
Yeah, you guys completely missed your time. Yeah, it's onward though.
Should we go around that or?
Because
Miss Sherry, do you have their cue so when we run this on Thursday?
It's
they
in
can
our
go back?
script.
I
You
had
have it? Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So on Thursday when we run this, you guys, we'll hash that part out.
How are we supposed to?
We'll hash it out. Okay?
Yeah. Can actually, who's centered here? Who's ever centered? Well, yeah, jump.
I'm right here.
You like hash browns?
So-
That's not what we're talking about right now, though.
What's the hash Leora?
Leora? Okay, Leora. Inch, like, two hits this way.
Oh my god.
Zach.
Zachary.
Zach. Okay, where is
You don't need to record it.
You know where